Mastering fillers and pauses. Boost your speaking fluency. Hey there, wonderful learners. Today, we'll dive into a crucial aspect of speaking clearly and confidently, especially during job interviews: fluency and coherence. One of the hidden secrets behind this is the use of fillers and pauses. But how can something like or a simple pause make you sound better? Let's find out. Fillers are short words or sounds that people often use in conversation, especially when they're thinking or hesitating. Examples include you know, like, and so. They might sound unnecessary, but they serve a purpose. 1. Buying time. If you need a moment to think, using a filler can give you that brief moment. 2. Signaling hesitation. They can also show you're unsure or trying to find the right words. 3. Keeping engagement. By using fillers, you prevent long silent gaps, which can be perceived as awkward. Not all situations require the use of fillers, and overusing them can sound unprofessional. Here's a guide. 1. Limit their usage. In formal settings like job interviews, try to minimize fillers. However, a few are okay. 2. Use appropriate fillers. You know, and like may be suitable for casual conversations but might seem out of place in formal ones. 3. Be conscious. Over time, try to notice when you use fillers. Awareness is the first step to control. Contrary to what some might believe, silence isn't always awkward. Here's why pauses can be potent. 1. Emphasize a point. After making a crucial statement, a brief pause can let it sink in. 2. Collect your thoughts. Instead of using a filler, you can pause to gather your ideas. 3. Control the pace. If you're speaking quickly, a pause can break things up and ensure your listener keeps up. The key is to find a balance between fillers, pauses, and spoken words. 1. Practice. Like any skill, the more you practice speaking with intention, the better you'll get. 2. Record yourself. Listen to your speech patterns. How often are you using fillers? Can a pause replace some? 3. Feedback. Ask friends or mentors to give feedback on your speech. External perspectives can be invaluable. Remember, no one is perfect, and every speaker has their style. Fillers and pauses are tools at your disposal, not strict rules to follow. The goal is confident and clear communication. We hope this video has shed light on the subtle yet impactful nuances of speaking. Practice, stay aware, and you'll surely make an impression in your next job interview. Happy learning!